Hello my Drippy Hippies and welcome back to another episode of my Peugeot Boxer fan build. In this episode we're going to be sound deadening, insulating and vapour barrieing the walls, which give us this end result of a shiny show prize. Just before we get started, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the materials I used in this episode. First off, we used these sound deadening mats, which just help reduce the noise and vibration that may occur in the van. After they were applied, I then went ahead and stuck this recycled plastic to the walls using some spray contact adhesive. I also put some expanding foam in holes and places where it could not reach. Once all the insulation was in place, I then went ahead and applied the vapour barrier over the top. As you can see here, I did this using some heavy duty adhesive. I then went round the edge of that with some aluminium tape just to give it that 100% vapour seal. Once I'd done the walls, I then went ahead and applied this 25mm PIR board to the ceiling. To apply the board to the ceiling, I used these little spikes with a little sticky pad on the back. That just peels off, sticks to the ceiling. Oh, your board just sticks through and then a little clip just goes on. They are an absolute godsend. Now I've gone through the materials, let's crack on with it. Got the sound deadening mats here. I didn't manage to capture a video of me installing these mats, but they're really simple to install. You just peel the back off, you stick that black to the skin of the van and then just give it a little roll. As you'll see throughout the video, I've applied these pretty much on every panel around the van. Once you got these on, the insulation on, and the noise reduction from driving along the road, from vibration and stuff like that, you really see a difference in that. Like, so well worth putting on that in my eyes. Like. So I'll just do another little demonstration on the sound deadening. So that's that's without the mat on, and this is with the mat on. If you can tell the difference, this one's got more of a dum. Bring this on. Just a thud sound. Just a little recap here on the insulation. Number one, make sure you fill every little nook and cranny as possible, just so you can get the best benefits out of this insulation. Number two, when you come to do the vapour barrier, you want to tape every joint and every hole just to stop any moisture getting through and causing condensation, which can lead to a build up of water and then cause mould, and you don't want that in your campervan. So I hope I'll give you enough information to tackle the insulation in your campervan. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.